In this video, I'm going to show you how to blend in Adobe Fresco. So there's a few different ways to do this. I'm going to show you some of them, which I do think are the easiest. Now, the first one is going to be using a live brush, which is watercolor, okay? So we're going to go over here to the left, and you want to hover over the live brushes. You want to click on them, and then from here, you want to go back and select watercolor. You could also do oil over here. I just like watercolor, so that's why I'm going to use this one right now. So you want to click on it, and then from here you can select whichever one you want. I'm gonna go with the basic watercolor over here, and that's going to be the first step, okay? Then over here, of course, you want to pick the first color. I'm gonna do like light green over here, and then you can put on things like size. You can go and select how much of the flow you want over here, and then how much of the water flow you want as well. Now, whenever you do this, there's also some separate options like angle, spacing, scatter, and some things other than that. I'm just going to leave it like it is, and I'm going to go and basically do some samples. So here I'm going to paint some green, as you can see, like this, and now I'm going to go and change the color to something like, let's do yellow, okay? Now when you do yellow, I'm going to go over here, and as you can see, this is going to essentially start blending. So as you can see, maybe this is not the best color to pick. I'm going to go with a different one right now, like blue, for example, and as you can see, this is kind of blending it through because we're using the watercolor brush, okay? So that's one really nice way to actually blend colors inside Adobe Fresco. Now I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to show you the second way you could do this, which is going to be mixer brushes, okay? So we're gonna go to pixel brushes over here, and then you wanna click on it again. And if you go back here, you can see there's mixer brushes. You wanna click on them, and you wanna select one, completely up to you. Usually I use this softy mixer over here to actually paint, okay? So I'm going to click on this one, and then we're gonna go back here, and you can again set a bunch of different things. You can set colors, you can set the size of your brush, etc. And then over here you have things like smoothing, and of course the spacing, angle, etc. So I'm just gonna go through over here, and I'm just going to paint a bit. I'm going to now switch over to color pink, for example, and I'm going to go over, and as you can see, this is also going to allow you to blend quite nicely. So you can also go and change the opacity and stuff like that, but that's going to be quite nice for blending as well, okay? So you can kind of teach yourself to do this, and you'll see it's going to be quite convenient to use for blending colors just like this, okay? That's one way to do it as well. And then the third one, which I wanted to show you here, is going to be the smudge tool, okay? So if I have two colors like this, for example, and if I want to blend them together, you want to use the smudge tool over here, and whenever you click on it, you can of course select whichever one you want. Usually I just go to basic and use this soft round over here, and then I go back and play around with the sizes, of course, and the flow and stuff like this. And then if you go here in between, you can just click and drag, and as you can see, this is kind of going to allow you to blend quite nicely again if you have like multiple different colors on different layers, or of course on one layer, and you want to blend these together, okay? So that's how to do this. That's how to blend in Adobe Fresco. There may be different ways as well, but I do think these are the easiest. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.